Turnitin similarity. The Similarity Report Overview. With Turnitin's Similarity Report, you can check for intentional and accidental plagiarism, encourage originality, and develop more independent learning. The visual and interactive layout saves time. All matches are highlighted and numbered with the corresponding source for easy reference. Sources for each match are automatically identified and added to the list for review. Designed with privacy settings that regulate permissions. If a paper is matched in the student repository, you can only view their details if it's been sanctioned by institution's administrator. See results at a glance. Once a paper has been checked, a similarity score is generated. This shows the percentage of text similarity found. Understand where to explore further on individual text matches. You can navigate the report in a way that suits you. Click on matches within the document, or work directly in the source panel. The report also comes with an expanded view option. Simply click any source on the right to view the document and the source side by side. You'll find multiple ways to check sources. Search by priority for a quick assessment, or switch to the All Sources view for a deeper dive. Built with time-saving filters so you can focus on what matters. Refine searches by excluding quotes, the bibliography, small matches, or even an entire database. The similarity score and sources are automatically adjusted to reflect changes. It's all linked, so nothing is missed. When it comes to checking for signs of intentional plagiarism, we put everything in one place. The Flags panel is where you'll find hidden text and replaced characters. Turnitin's Similarity Report can help instructors provide better feedback to students to improve their writing and keep integrity at the core of their work. To learn more or see the report in action, contact Turnitin.com.